This is the Amanze 2018 Christmas video. This is all of the wonderful presents that Mommy, Daddy, and Auntie have put together for us for December 25th, 2018 in the Amanze household on Dervish Court. And there's even more back here. I have to climb over the chair to see everything because there's so much stuff. Look at our beautiful Christmas tree that all the kids decorated passionately earlier this month. And these are the faces of all my siblings miserably waiting to come down. Say hi. Say hi. Say Merry Christmas. Yay, Merry Christmas. Okay, now come down. Wow. Take what? Take what? Them doing what? Oh, well, not. Oh. Daddy used to be here, right? And Auntie.
No, this one's Oh, Daddy's here.
Okay, this is the first part of Christmas morning 2018 in the Amanze household. The video will end here. And cut.